it's scrappychicks.com, and today I'm going to bring you a Kiwi Lane project share. This is using the October Kiwi Lane Club Kit called Homegrown Harvest. So this is a project that I did using that kit, and hopefully you can see it well because I cannot see my camera. So essentially what this is I don't know, I really don't have a name for this. So I don't know if you want to call it a loaded pocket or a tag holder album. I'm not really sure. I haven't come up with the name of it yet. So I'm just going to show you what it does, and then I'll go into detail in showing you the tags and everything. So this is the front cover, and it has a pocket, and I'm going to take everything out and show you that. And then you open it up, and there's two more pockets, and then the pockets are tags. And then I left the back blank, but you could put another pocket if you wanted to, but I just felt it was getting a little bulky. Okay, so let me show you what's in the front. So I'm going to take the tags out and show you. So this is what the front looks like without the tags. It says fall is my favorite color. So these are sentiments that came with the paper kit, and I just cut them apart. I used the templates. I'll have a list of the templates in the description below. That way I don't have to remember all the templates that I used or look at a list. So I'll just list all the Kiwi Lane templates below, and I'll leave a link where you can order them if you're interested. This ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. I went to go back to the Dollar Tree to purchase more, and it was sold out at my local Dollar Tree. And I haven't visited another one to see if I can find it. But, so I really like this. It's a lacy ribbon. The bows are interesting. I'll be doing a tutorial on that, but I call these fork bows because, yes, I did. I took the ribbon and I have a fork in my craft room, and that's why. Because I make fork bows. So I'll do a tutorial on how to make a fork bow. It's really easy. It's not complicated. So these are my fork bows. That's what I call them. Anytime I make a bow with a fork, I call it a fork bow. So these are my fork bows. These are leaf jewel embellishments that I had in my stash. So I hot glued them. The fence is a template from Kiwi Lane. The banner is a template from Kiwi Lane. The edges here, that's the template. The cutout is a template as well. And then I'll go through the tags that I had in the front. So all these tags are double-sided. I'm pretty sure I made them all double-sided. So the tags themselves, those are templates. And the Farm Fresh Country Life, this was one of the sentiment cards that come with the kit, and it's cut out with a template. And then you flip it over, and the tree is another template that came in that kit. The Homegrown Harvest, I think is what it's called. I hope I'm saying that right. So the tree templates came with that line. And I may actually have it right here. Hang on, let me see. I don't know that I have it on top here. Sorry, I'm having to dig in my drawer. Let's see if I have it. Yeah, here it is. So Homegrown Harvest is what it's called. Let me stand up so I can look in my camera. Okay, so it comes with the tree templates. And then this is all the paper that was in the kit. So all this paper here is what I'm using. That kind of gives you a snapshot of what the paper looks like. So, and it is called Homegrown Harvest. Okay. So I hope I'm in frame. I hope I was in frame earlier. Okay. I think if I'm here, I'm in frame. So these are the tags here. So I showed you that one. So that one just goes on the inside. And then all of this whole tag collection was made with kits. Kiwi Lane templates. Even the rooster as well. That's in the country, I think is what that's called, country. And then this is a journal box that was one of the sentiment cards. So you could journal on that side. This was a sentiment card that I cut down. And so that goes in. This is another sentiment card that I cut into the shape of a pumpkin. And I left room to put a photo there. This measures 2 by 2. Another journaling card. And I'm not putting them back like I had them, but this is one of my favorite templates from Kiwi Lane, the house. I just love it. And then the tree branches I put behind it, and I used the ribbon on the roof line. Love this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And then Happy Fall, y'all. All of these are sentiment cards from that came in that kit collection. But you can use any sentiment card. So if you do Project Life, you can use those cards and use the templates over them and cut them down. So that's a great way to use those Project Life cards, not just for scrapbooking, but using them on your projects as well. So all of these go back in here. I don't know exactly how I had it in here to begin with. It's getting stuck. Okay. So that's the front. I don't have it exactly like I started out, but you get the general idea. Okay, so then it opens up. This can stand up. So you can stand it up. I didn't do a closure yet because I haven't decided if I want to do a magnet or if I want to do Velcro. So I'm not exactly sure yet. I'm undecided. So I'm still debating on that. So I used the Kiwi Lane templates to decorate the inside. Then I did more tags. This is for a photo, so you can do a photo there. This tag, you can do a photo here. And this one you can do a photo. So I did this because I may be sending this to my parents. My parents are still in quarantine due to the virus. So for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, I may put pictures in this and send this to them because I'm not going to be able to see them due to their health complications that would arise if they got the virus. I can't see them. So they're not going to be with family for the holidays. This one gives you option for 2 photos and then just a tag, Homegrown Harvest. And you can actually squeeze it 2 by 2 up top. So I may just add another photo in there. So I guess this is kind of like a mini scrapbook too, and an interactive scrapbook. Maybe that's what I'll call it. This was another sentiment card in that kit, Rake, Pile, Jump, Repeat. And then you can't tell, but I did the Winka Stella shimmer over the top, and then 2 more 2 by 2 photos. And then this one is Life is Good Tree. So I took the sentiment card, used the tree template, and turned the sentiment card into a tree. So that's where that came from. And then 2 more photos. Pick of the patch, and I just used a template and cut down that. So this project took me probably an hour, hour and a half to make. I had never made one of these before, and I just kind of went online and was searching. And again, you can do a pocket in the back and do more, or you could do a photo mat on the back with a photo. It's completely up to you. But I went online looking for mini albums, and I discovered this. I think it was on Pinterest. And mine deviates a little bit different from the original one. So, and that's okay. Normally, if I find an idea I like, I take the general idea and then I change it. And I make it my own. So, I guess I'm going to call this an interactive scrapbook with pockets. So, I'm not sure what I'll title it. It'll be titled whenever it goes up on YouTube. If you're interested in a tutorial, reach out to me and let me know, because I haven't decided if I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do these, because it could be a little lengthy, and I'm not a big fan of long videos. That's not my thing. So just reach out to me, and just let me know if you're interested in a tutorial on how to do this, and I may put one together for you. But I just wanted to showcase the October, how I used the October Kiwi Lane Cloak Kit paper and sentiments that came with that, and then using the templates to create this pocket scrapbook album, I guess is what I'll call it. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.